How to use the repeat effect on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the repeat effects on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now let's create a post. Tap on plus icon at the bottom of your page. Tap on upload on your right side. Once it opens up your gallery section, tap on any video that you would like to upload. Then on your right side, scroll below and tap on effects. Here, swipe to your left until you see time tab. Tap onto time and there you will see repeat at the middle section. Tap onto it. And here choose the part of the video that you would like to have it on repeat. As you do so, tap on the save icon on your top right. Just like so, this is how you will be able to put a video on repeat. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.